Hey everyone, welcome to Today I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome if it's slow or freezing on Windows 10 and 11. Open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Settings, System, and turn off the graphics acceleration slider. If it's off, next go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and disable all of them. There. If that doesn't work, go to Reset Settings and Restore Defaults. Also, make sure your Chrome is up to date. Do this by clicking three dots, Settings, About Chrome. It'll update here. This was like the video and subscribe. See you later.